Okay, 3 ways to improve insulin sensitivity. Now, why do you need to be, or why should you aim to be really sensitive to insulin? It's because you will require less insulin to get the job done. Okay, I mean, your insulin helps you regulate blood sugar. The more sensitive your cells are to insulin, the quicker and more efficiently they're going to absorb blood sugar or glucose, not sugar, glucose. So you need to understand that the more sensitive you are to insulin, the less insulin you are going to require. We all know those people that eat any kind of food, very carb rich food, and still are lean. They don't even care about what they eat, but they're still lean. It's because of insulin sensitivity. Unfortunately, insulin sensitivity declines as you age, and so they are lean right now, but eventually most of them end up putting on fat unless they have some freakish genetics that just keeps them insulin sensitive till they're dead. Lucky. Anyway, the first way you can do it is to fast. Yeah, simply to fast. Just don't eat or extend or just skip a meal. Okay, don't do this if you're not used to it. But there is an advantage to doing this because your insulin levels come down. They come down to baseline, and when insulin comes down to baseline, everything else comes just gets into this nice state of balance. And besides that, people are waking up in the morning and eating food, and they're ending their day with eating food. You don't need to eat all the time. Okay, so if you let yourself go empty stomach, insulin levels are going to go down, and therefore once you eat, you're going to be more sensitive to insulin simply because insulin has been down. It's kind of like you being in a very dark room for a long time. Someone switches on the light and suddenly you can't even look at the light. Why? It's okay to be in that room while the light was on from the start, but the darkness has made you more sensitive to that light. It's kind of like insulin sensitivity is like your ability to hear, right? So say I have awesome hearing and I listen to heavy metal all the time. I take earphones and I start blasting music on full volume. Over time, every day, okay, I listen to it every day. Over the years, my ears become less sensitive. Now, suppose if somebody wants to ask me my name, okay, now if they wanted to ask me my name, they just need to say what is your name at a normal volume. Now, after some time, when my sensitivity is reduced, the same message is going to require so much more effort because the person will have to probably yell and say and ask me what is my name so that I can hear it. That's the kind of thing. So this is what is happening. You're eating carbohydrates from morning to evening. You're keeping insulin levels high all the time for years and years and years, and then finally your body doesn't respond to insulin, and that's what we call diabetes. You're not responding to insulin anymore. So it's not a surprise, it's not a disease, it's more of a consequence. It's easily preventable, just let me tell you that. The second thing you can do is supplement with vitamin D3 and magnesium. Now, the reason I'm telling you to supplement with this is not because they're magic or something, it's just because most people are deficient in these things, and it makes sense to supplement these things. And they're also shown to increase insulin sensitivity. So yeah, if you want to take a supplement, it would make sense to take these two things. And last but not the least would be to exercise, preferably resistance exercise. Now, whether you're using your own body weight as resistance, whether you're using weights in the gym, or you're just going down to sprint and doing basically intense activity, that's going to improve your insulin sensitivity. So yeah, all exercise almost has an insulin-like effect on the body because intense activity requires glucose, right? So when the glucose is floating all around in your body, and if you do some intense activity, it's immediately going to be used up. It's very good for diabetics. Yeah, hopefully this helped.